Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take some live trades. So let's analyze the market. So first of all, I check my expiration time and my investing amount a little bit small, like $10 in per trade. Okay. So let's analyze the market. There is a no opportunity. Yes. The market is going high volatility, right? Okay, here there is a no opportunity. No. So basically I focused on support and resistance. So in this session I placed the 3 trades. That's enough for me. Let's analyze the market. Okay. Okay, there's a no opportunity here. Okay, this is a last swing low, so we have the opportunity. When the level is break, we can place the higher option. Let's wait the market, and no opportunities here. Okay, so always check the market condition and market structure. It's very important. Yeah, we have opportunity here. So the market is trying to break this level. This is a last swing low. So we'll see. The when market is broke, we can place the higher option. Let's wait. Okay, the market is going up, and let's check 30 seconds. Okay, there's a okay, I think this is a continuation sign. Right, after creating this candle we can take the trade, but okay, wait, already this candle broke the level also, so we need a confirmation. Yeah, yes, I'm going to buy. Okay, so because the aggressive buying moment is here, so previous level is here, so I'm going to trade some trend. So trend is your friend always. Okay, we have only 21 seconds here. Let's wait the trade. Okay, so when the candle is broke, we can place the another trade also. The level is broken. I'm going to take another trade. I'm going to place 2 trades here. So because it's a clear breakout, so that was the reason I placed the uptrend. Okay, let's wait the result. Okay, this was a clear breakout. So when you see the clear breakout, you can place the trade directly. So before take this trade, you need to confirm the clear breakout. So there is a 5-second confirmation, and also trend line confirmation, horizontal line confirmation. There is so many confirmations are there. So first of all, you need to what is breakout. It's very important. Only 9 seconds here. The profit. So this is my last trade. Okay, there's an opportunity here. So okay, no opportunity. So no opportunity here. So market is going to reach to the resistor level zone. So this is the resistance level zone. When you reach the resistance level zone, we can place the resistance like up downside trade. We'll see the result. Okay, so we need a confirmation also. So I'm going to change the 5 second. So okay, the market is going to downtrend, but I didn't see any confirmation, so I'm waiting for the confirmation. Okay, the market is going down. So we have the time also, so please wait and take the correct decision. After that you can place the trade. Okay. So I'm going to take the low risk $5 because I achieved the target also. Okay. I'm going to take $5 in downside. So this is my trade because I placed the high seller pressure. So you can see the selling pressure and the most confirmation candle also here, and also some rejections here. So that was the reason I placed a sell option. Or wait, so this candle is going to high pressure. We have the 22 seconds here. Let's analyze the market. So before taking the trade, we need to check the resistance level. So there is a 2 confirmation here. There is a 2 rejection. So that was the present in the selling pressure. And after that, I'm going to take the 5 second confirmation candle also. So the 7 trade. So here, so we can do 3 trades. I do the 3 trades. So if you have any doubts here, please drop the message in the comment box, and please share and support, and don't forget the subscribe button. Thank you.